Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, USDCAD for 29th March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 30th March. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart. As you can see, markets is trading at 1.2571, or the last traded price is 1.2571. Okay, and you can see that market took support at this zone 1.2364 level, and it has beautifully gone up. Market has also made higher highs. Okay, so this is a very good sign for an uptrend market. But there are certain things that we should not avoid and which doesn't add up. First of all, we know that market has, or you can easily see that market has some good amount of resistance available at this level. I have already drawn it on the chart in the form of a box. You can see that market has a good level of resistance at this level. Okay, so this is our no trading zone. If market goes up and reverses from here, then we can short the market. That's a different chapter. But as of now, market is making higher highs. So, and stochastic RSI is also in the oversold zone. So things are not adding up here. So in my suggestion, okay, you should avoid USD CAD for 29th March. Okay, because it's oversold zone, it is making higher highs and there is a good resistance. Okay, if this would have been an uptrend market, then this is a very nice spot to enter. Okay, this is a very nice spot to enter. Okay, but from here market will face some resistance. So after moving up a little, market may reverse from here, so that's not a good sign. Therefore, in my opinion, there are multiple currency pairs available where you can trade, so you can avoid USD CAD for 29th March because things are not adding up. In case market goes up and reverses from here, then you can short the market. Otherwise, I will not tell you to buy here, sell here. Okay, and yes, you can go for buy order in this support zone, but this support is far away from the last traded price. Therefore, wait for the market either go up and reverse from there or come to this level so that you can buy. Okay, as of now, as long as market is trading in between this range, okay, you should avoid the market, because as I always say, it's your capital, it's your hard-earned money, or it's your father's money, your relatives money. You should not risk it. There are multiple pairs available, multiple trading opportunities available where you can make money. So you should not be risking your capital in a position like this. So this is my honest opinion and honest review. Okay, honest analysis actually. So your analysis may vary, and you can comment it on the comment box. Okay, I would love to hear your analysis. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.